Good morning. Class 2nd subject English grammar. Myself Anjali. Hello everyone. How are you student? I hope you are well at home. So student, now we are moving towards our new topic of English grammar, opposite words. Antonyms. Definition of antonyms. Words giving different or opposite meanings are called antonyms. Look at the given words. First word, tall opposite small, up opposite down, in opposite out, dry opposite wet, spring opposite autumn, high opposite low, wide opposite narrow, tidy opposite untidy, strong opposite weak. Look at the given words. First picture, tall opposite short. Tall means uncha, short means chota. Up, down. In, out. I wait. Suka, gila. Spring, autumn. Vasant Ritu and winter season. Low. Uncha, nicha. Wide, narrow. Wide means choda. Means sankirna. Tidy, साफ सुथरा. Untidy, गंदा. Strong, बलवान. Opposite word, weak, कमजोर. A word that means the opposite of another word is called antonym. Antonyms are exactly the opposite words. In this, look at the given words. First picture of tall opposite small. Tall opposite short भी हो सकता है. This boy is tall and this boy is short. Next, up, down. Up opposite down. The boy is climbing up the stair and the boy is going downstairs. Next, in opposite out. The boy is coming in. The boy is going out. Next, this is the picture of dry side and this is the picture of wet side. Dry opposite wet. Dry means suka, wet means gila. Spring, autumn. This is the picture of spring season and second picture of autumn season. Next, the kite is flying high in the sky. In second picture, this kite flying low. The road is wide. The road is wide and the railway line is narrow. Next, tidy opposite untidy. The officer is in tidy uniform and little child is untidy. Strong opposite weak. The man is strong and a lady is weak. Exercise. Write the opposite or antonyms of the given words, follow the example. Example: good opposite bad. We are going to sentence according we are going to make this sentence according to those words: good, bad. Rohan is good boy, but Soham is bad boy. Next word: thick, thin. The book is thick and notebook is thin. थिक यानी कि मोटा, थिन यानी कि पतला. नाइट, डे. नाइट रात, डे दिन. The star is twinkling in the night and the sun is shining daytime. Next word: hot, cold. Tea is hot but juice is cold. Down, up. The boy is climbing up and in this picture the boy is going first boy is dry and second boy is wet. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks with opposite words or antonyms given in the help box. Follow the example. Example: her school bag is wet but books are dry. उसकी स्कूल बैग गीली है बट बुक्स आर ड्राई. बुक्स कैसे है तो सूखे हैं. फर्स्ट, रेहाना इज हैप्पी बट रुबीना इज सैड. हैप्पी ऑपोजिट वर्ड सैड. रेहाना हैप्पी है, खुश है एंड रुबीना इज सैड. रुबीना दुखी है. रेहाना इज हैप्पी बट रुबिया इज सैड. रेहाना हैप्पी है बट रुबिया सैड है. सेकेंड वर्ड: पोटैटोज आर चीप बट चीज इज डेयर. चीप मीन्स सस्ता और डेयर मीन्स महंगा. पोटैटोज सस्ता है बट चीज इज महंगा है. चीज. पोटैटो सस्ता है एंड चीज महंगा है. थर्ड वर्ड: असीन इज प्रेजेंट बट कटरीना इज एब्सेंट. असीन प्रेजेंट है, उपस्थित है. कटरीना इज एब्सेंट. कटरीना इज एब्सेंट. फोर्थ नंबर: सूप इज हॉट बट जूस इज कोल्ड. सूप गर्म है और जूस ठंडा है. कोल्ड मीन्स ठंडा, हॉट मीन्स गर्म. सफीना इज पोलाइट बट सोफिया इज रूड. RUDE रूड. रूड मीन्स घमंडी और पोलाइट मीन्स नम्र. सफीना इज पोलाइट बट सोफिया इज रूड. Next page number. Take out page number 28. Question number 3. Draw line. Question number 3. Page number 28. Draw lines to match the day activities object with the sun and the night activities object with the moon. Write those activities object in the space provided. First, day time and night time. In this picture, mosquitoes are there, stars are there. This is the picture of night time. Next, second picture, boy is swimming. This activities related with sun. Third picture, they are playing. Those activities are in daytime. Fourth, this is fire. These activities happen in night. These activities related with night time. And fifth and last picture, the flower is blooming. These activities related with sun time, daytime. So student draw lines to match the day activities object with the sun and the night activities object with the moon. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको जो डे एक्टिविटीज़ जो दिन में सनलाइट में करते हो और जो एक्टिविटीज़ आप मून में रात में करते हो तो उसे आपको ज्वाइन करना है और एक्टिविटीज़ यहाँ पर लिखना है. मॉस्किटोज आर buzzing, swimming, playing. Fire charm, blooming. Next question, brain ticklers. Brain ticklers. Look at these pictures. Make a circle around the turtle that is sad. Color the turtle that is happy. Write their mood in the space provided. This is happy turtle and this is the picture of sad turtle. You must have to learn those opposite words. So now this lecture is over. You must have to complete your exercise in your textbook. So this is the lockdown period. Take care kids at your home. Goodbye. Bye student.